Gone are the times when off-roading vehicles were only supposed to be tough and equipped with a four-wheel drive system. Modern off-roaders are a far cry from their ancestors. In fact, the top-tier ones are laden with cutting-edge technology and opulence. This video will give you a sneak peek into the coolest off-roading cars that have become a reality in recent times. Mercedes Maybach Off-Roader by Virgil Abloh. The Maybach lineup presents the very pinnacle of luxury in Mercedes' entire portfolio, and the recently announced off-roader concept is the latest and most daring venture undertaken by the niche brand in its entire history. As the name suggests, the project was a collaboration between the now-deceased Virgil Abloh and Maybach itself. The concept resembles quite closely to Rolls-Royce's recently showcased future concepts, apart from the off-road specific add-ons and various sides that give away its personality and capability. The cabin too is nothing short of a wonder and showcases multiple bespoke elements and rhymes perfectly with the design language of the exterior. Last but not least is the rich use of sustainable materials in the cabin and the solar panels nicely tucked underneath the hood. The camping-friendly interior is complemented by a roof capable of accommodating roof tents for the added convenience of camping enthusiasts. Rolls-Royce 6x6 Phantom. The British marque maker is undoubtedly the world's top manufacturer of one-off luxury cars, but it currently doesn't have any plans to venture into the world of off-roading vehicles. This lack of interest by the English giant provided an opportunity for the French company Danton Arts Customs to craft their own version of a beastly 6x6 Rolls-Royce. A 2004 Phantom was selected for this ambitious goal, and it was sliced off from the rear door to elongate it to accommodate all the 6x6 stuff. Extended aluminum wheel arches, light bars, and ironically 24-inch wheels were also added to transform the elegant looks into those of a typical off-terrain car. As for the changes in the cabin, they're rather subtle. Apart from the light use of crocodile and snake leather, everything else is pretty standard. We don't know the exact selling price, but the French artist hoped to sell his unique creation for 5 million euros. Porsche 911 Dakar. Porsche has finally taken the first steps towards making its first off-road focused car, and that car's none other than the legendary 911. Inspired by various independent off-roading takes on Porsche, the company has released its own limited edition version. 2,500 units to be specific. That's every bit as eye-catchy as the brand's entire lineup. The standout features on the outside are the racing-inspired color scheme, a roof rack with a light bar, and the stunning white wheels that are hard to overlook for anyone. Apart from good off-roading capabilities, the Dakar edition also excels in the performance department thanks to the 473 horsepower powertrain tucked in the rear. Thanks to various weight-saving measures and off-road specific tuning, the one-off 911 is ready to take on the trails at any time. With a price tag of nearly $224,000 and a limited production run, the car will certainly be hard to grab for anyone. BYD YangWang U8. The world's largest plug-in vehicle maker, BYD, has just unveiled its sister brand, YangWang, which is intended to take on the German luxury rivals. The star of the new offspring brand is the rugged U8 that's built on a traditional frame chassis and comes equipped with 4 motors that altogether put out a whopping 1,100 horsepower and allow a 0 to 60 mile per hour time of just 3 seconds. The exterior is typical of any new off-road SUV, though the front grille or design elements are one of the largest we've ever seen. The U8 has all the capabilities to match its rivals, including the ability to take tank turns, crab walk mode, and a water mode that allows it to sweep through water without any damage. Capable of driving at 75 miles per hour even on a flat tire, the expected price of this worthy competitor is close to $150,000. Toyota Compact Cruiser EV. Toyota has a good fan following amongst off-roading enthusiasts, so it's understandable that the automaker would try to maintain its foothold in this segment. The new Compact Cruiser EV, nicknamed by some as the Baby FJ Cruiser, is a compact and sprightly all-electric vehicle that has all the characteristics of an all-terrain SUV. However, with this new offering, the Japanese automaker also expects to appeal to the lifestyle customers that don't necessarily buy off-roading vehicles for their capabilities. Despite the small stature, Toyota has somehow managed to add 4 doors, beefy skid plates, muscular wheel arches, and a rather unique roof rack, all of which make this concept something worth looking forward to. Details are scarce, but the compact cruiser is expected to benefit from bZ4X's electric drivetrain. The release is expected to be towards the end of 2023, with an estimated price of $50,000. Volkswagen ID Extreme. Volkswagen is expanding its ID lineup in almost every direction, be it camper vans, hatchbacks, crossovers, and now even off-roading ID SUVs may be on the shelf as well. The ID Extreme is based on the existing platform of the ID4 with several noticeable modifications. Lifted suspension, an LED light bar, and a chunky front bull bar are some of the noteworthy add-ons. Further adding flavor is a unique livery and knobby wheels that all accentuate the all-terrain nature of the purely electric vehicle. Apart from the cosmetics, the powertrain's tweaked as well, and it's expected to put down 80 more horses. Sustainable materials have been used rather generously to mirror the brand's take on the future. Unfortunately, the Extreme Edition is unlikely to materialize, and it may remain limited to just a concept.